Today I'm going to talk to you about how what you do during your free time affects your productivity. When most people talk about staying focused and productive, they only emphasize activities done at work or when you need to be focused. What people tend to forget is that how you live your life outside of work largely impacts your focus and productivity too. Let's take a look at 4 important things you must do outside of work to stay focused. 1. Fuel up right. Our bodies need healthy food for fuel. If you only load your body up with processed food, sugar, and simple carbohydrates, it's going to be hard for you to stay focused and productive during your day. Instead, the best fuel type includes complex carbohydrates, fats, and protein. These different types of food will keep your brain functioning at optimal levels. Additionally, they will take longer to break down, which means that you'll be fuller and more energized for longer. Make sure to eat a healthy breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Plus, keep healthy snacks on you to fuel up when you get hungry at work. 2. Drink water. In addition to food, you need to drink enough water. Our body is made up of primarily water. If you only drink coffee, sodas, and sugary drinks, you're not only going to be putting on extra calories, but you're going to be neglecting your body's most basic needs as well. You might be thinking that water doesn't have that big of an impact on productivity and focus. That could not be further from the truth. Water helps your brain to function as it should. More so, water can be more energizing than a cup of coffee at times. 3. Exercise. Something else you need to do to remain productive is exercise regularly. Exercising ensures that your body is working as it should. It's a good idea to have 3 intense workouts a week. If you currently do not work out at all, then start slow and build up your endurance. The more you exercise, the healthier you will be. As a result, your brain will most likely be working at peak condition, helping you to remain focused and productive. Another benefit of exercising is that it will help you sleep more. 4. Sleep well. Speaking of sleep, make sure you get enough shut-eye every night. Sleeping gives your body a chance to reset and restore itself. If you do not get enough sleep, it is impossible for you to have the focus or energy levels that you require to remain productive. Generally speaking, you should shoot for about 8 hours of sleep. Certain people may need an hour or so more or less, but try to shoot for a consistent sleep schedule, no matter who you are. If you exercise, you're more likely to sleep more. Additionally, eating clean foods will help to prevent you getting a sugar overload before you get into bed. Final thoughts. All in all, some of the most basic elements of your life will determine your productivity levels at work. This includes what you eat, what you drink, how you move, and how you sleep. Make sure to not neglect any of these aspects of your life because it will lead to poor physical and mental health, resulting in poor productivity as well.
For more free educational content, visit learnforfree.biz. Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo.